Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to take a backup of a Hostinger website builder site and switch to WordPress. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log in to your Hostinger account. Then go to websites. And next to the website you want to take a backup of and then switch to WordPress, click on these three dots. Select duplicate website. Here select in which hosting plan you want to duplicate or take a backup on. Since I only have this business web hosting plan, so there is no other plan to select from, click on select plan. Website was duplicated successfully. Now just refresh this page to see the backup or the new backup of your website built using Hostinger website builder. If you try to visit it, you will see this error of page not found. This is simply because this website is not published yet. To publish it, just click on edit website. And you will see this button of go live. If you click on it, this new website on this new address, which is long, will be accessible to online. Since this is just a backup of my website, I will not publish it online. So return to the website's page. Now, in order to make or to switch this website from Hostinger website builder to WordPress, it's simple. First, you need to delete this website in order to release this domain name from this website. Same thing, click on these three dots, select delete. Check this box next to I understand that all data on this website and its subdomains will be lost and can't be recovered. Yes, I understand this. Click on delete. Your website is being deleted and it can take up to 10 minutes. Click on done. Now just refresh this page and you will see that your website built using Hostinger website builder is deleted successfully and its backup is still remaining. Now click on add website, select WordPress. Here, select your WordPress website language. I will keep it English. Fill in your WordPress website email and also password. Then click on next. Here you will see two options. The first one is creating your WordPress website with the help of AI or go with pre-built websites and themes. In my case, I will create a blank website or blank WordPress website. Click on this button. Here, fill in your domain name, benstutorial.com. Do you own this domain? Yes, click on it. Click on next. Here, select the data center that you want your website to be on. I recommend you to be close to your website or to your WordPress website audience. I'm talking about locations in order to have the fastest possible WordPress website. In my case, since my website is targeting US audience, I will select a server that is in North Carolina. Click on install WordPress and wait a moment. And now your WordPress website was installed successfully. Let's give this website a visit. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Hostinger website builder masterclass online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger, templates and branding, editing page content, menus and navigation, advanced layout features, contact and communication, e-commerce setup, blogging, SEO, analytics, and site management. To get access to all of this today for free, plus my other online courses about Hostinger web hosting or Hostinger Horizons, just visit this page academy.dotcom.builders and you will see how to join and get all of this today for free. Without any further ado, let's continue our video. Let's give this website a visit. As you see, my new WordPress website still uses a temporary domain, but if I fill in my domain name, I will access it. To make sure that everything is working great, just try to log in to the WordPress dashboard of your new WordPress website. Here, fill in your email address. And hit login. As you see, I was entered to the same website, and this is how to take a backup of a Hostinger website builder site and switch to WordPress. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.